Hi guys, my name is Choi Yu Chen and I'm from Group 1-3 and my groupmates are Amalia, Moaz and Farisha. And today we are going to talk about our IP project, which is the production of brown sugar.
Introduction of processing brown sugar. Brown sugar is a product made of crystallized sucrose with a distinctive brown sugar to the presence of molasses. Molasses responsible for the brown sugar physical characteristic, color and taste, as well as likely increase its nutritional value. Depending on percentage of molasses, the color of brown sugar can vary from light brown 3.5% to the dark brown 6.5%. Usage of brown sugar: first is in baking for retain moisture, second is cooking for food seasoning, third is skincare as for light skin, and last is for in beverage. Process description of brown sugar: first is milling the sugarcane, second is liming and addition of sulfur dioxide for purification, next is clarification, evaporation, crystallization, centrifugation, drying of the sugar, and addition of molasses.
Next, we are going to talk about the process flow diagram. In this diagram, all the unit process involving in the production of brown sugar are drawn and connected by the streams.
In economy aspect, the major market players involved in brown sugar market are manufacturers, raw material supplier, equipment supplier, traders, distributor, and end user. For the future marketing potential of brown sugar, the brown sugar is forecast to grow in upcoming years due to its market drivers like cost, competitive product segment, and easy to manufacture. The development of food and beverage industry toward natural and organic food and ingredient production made the brown sugar market have a strong base. Based on the graph, in estimation by the year of 2025, the supply of product is 186,955,000 tons per year, and the demand is 190,707,000 tons per year. Our proposed plan is to cater 5.3% of global sugar deficiency. The plant operates continuously for 350 days with 2 weeks of break for maintenance. Thus, for plant capacity is 23.81 tons per hour.
Four major waste generated in the production of brown sugar are bagasse, pressed mud, molasses, and wastewater. Bagasse is normally used in the boilers for fuel, but it can also be used to produce other products such as paper, wallboard, and furfural. Bagasse is also used as an attractive feedstock for the production of bioethanol. The second one is molasses. Molasses can be the key ingredient for cost-effective management of feeds and pasture. Supplementing poor quality hay with molasses will increase the feed intake and improve the feed portability. Apart from that, molasses is also used in the production of organic acid, especially ethanol. The third one is pressed mud. Pressed mud can be used to fill the low-lying area. However, it should be done with much care because it can cause pollution to the air and the underground water. Besides that, pressed mud is largely used as soil conditioner and fertilizer. The last one is wastewater. Treatment of the wastewater is important because wastewater can be hazardous to the plant and destroy the soil composition. Therefore, biological wastewater treatment method is used in managing the wastewater. Meanwhile, the color-causing pigment will be removed by the other methods such as coagulation, flocculation, absorption, membrane filtration, and electrochemical process.
Next, for the mass balance part, we have 5 inputs and 4 outputs for the system. 5 inputs are steam, sulfur dioxide, sugarcane, lime, and water. For the outputs are wastewater, brown sugar impurities, and bagasse. And the mass balance for the input and output are balanced. In conclusion, we have known that brown sugar is used for many purposes such as baking, beverage, cooking, or even skincare. And brown sugar can be extracted by different type of process such as vacuum pan method or open pan method. And we have chosen the open pan method because of the higher yield and less labor work. And the production will have some waste products such as bagasse, molasses, pressed mud, and wastewater. And lastly, from our calculations, 188,968.28 kg per hour of sugarcane is required to yield an amount of 25,010.51 kg per hour of brown sugar.